Well, multi-cooker sales continues to be hot. Those countertop cookers that can take the place of a rice cooker, a slow cooker, yogurt maker, and pressure cooker are everywhere.
And now you can get accessories that expand their cooking duties even more. Leah Lynchide on Consumer Reports. Check them out.
Christine Jones-Howard is a registered dietitian who shares healthy meals on her Instagram feed. To help come up with fresh ideas, she's collected a lot of appliances.
I have bought the slow cooker, and then I bought the pressure cooker, and then I bought the air fryer, and of course I have a toaster oven. But I would love it if it was just in one appliance.
The makers of the Instant Pot have come up with accessories to make your multi-cooker even more of a do-it-all appliance. Consumer Reports tried out 10 of them to see which ones are worth your drawer space.
The accessories that we checked out are made by Instant Pot, but most of them can be used with other multi-cookers just as long as they fit in the inner pot.
You can get silicone or metal egg racks to hard cook eggs with centered yolks, but CR experts used the metal one for two-tiered cooking. Curry cooked on the bottom while rice steamed on the top. This ceramic nonstick pot keeps your starchy foods from sticking. It's easy to clean and oven safe to 680 degrees. A pressure-cooked whole chicken might be juicy, but it won't be brown unless you use this air fryer lid. It turns your Instant Pot into an air fryer that can roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, but it's only compatible with certain Instant Pot models. Using this springform cake pan, CR testers swear your multi-cooker can make a better cheesecake than your oven.
The moist cooking environment is ideal for cheesecakes and other custardy desserts. And this pan fits perfectly in the inner pot, which means you can fit as much cheesecake as possible.
CR Pros called this silicone steam rack a game changer. Accessories like the springform pan or this steamer basket lock onto it and stay above the water. The handle helps you safely lift and lower dishes into the pot. For News 3 Now, this is Leah Lynchide. Happy cooking.
Well, Mark, we know what we're getting producer Matt for Christmas next year.
The attachments, yes.
Yeah, Consumer Reports says that one of the easiest ways to up your multi-cooker game is to get a separate silicone ring for the lids for making desserts.
This keeps flavors from transferring from meats and stews to your desserts.